Hello and welcome to your generation's 80-year-old from Glenlivet Distillery. My name is Stephen Rankin and I am Director of Prestige at Gordon & MacPhail. Firstly, let me compliment you on such exquisite taste. This rare and unique whisky is truly a testament to the skills and philosophy of Gordon & MacPhail. This wonderful generation's 80-year-old has been designed by Sir David Ajay, renowned architect and designer. When you open it, it's hinged at the back, but take the time to read the small script inside the lid there. There's a little tab here, and as you'll see, as you lift it up, it actually presents the two items inside. The first is a letter that has been written and signed by myself, which notes your care instructions. And the second is a book all about the decanter and the wonderful design of Sir David. And now for the oak pavilion itself. Now, inside the box, it sits in its own casing. So gently lift that up. I've got it slightly tilted back the way. So what to do is if you lay it down, the front falls forward, like so. And then all I want you to do is just gently slide the pavilion forward, taking it out from the box. If you think that the whisky has spent 80 years being nurtured, maturing in its oak cask, this beautiful oak is very much symbolic of the forests that oak would have grown in. Inside the bottom of the box is a small recess. If you actually reach in, there's a little tab, because underneath is engraved in metal your certificate of authenticity and ownership. There is now another small box which with two tabs on either side, and as you open it up you pull out the decanter itself. Now this next bit, just be careful because the glass is extremely smooth, the crystal is extremely smooth, so when you're lifting it up, just be careful. Get your hand underneath it. These lenses in the glass, very much a metaphor for looking forward and of course looking back across the 80 years that this whisky has matured in the warehouse as the world has evolved and changed since 1940. So this is the transport lid. So it can come off, but of course if you want to open and drink this, that's going to come out. This is a crystal stopper that then will go and sit in place. Now, this just gets pushed in to sit in its recess. Now, these colours of the whisky reflect the light and it almost refracts, giving the most beautiful display. Accompanying the crystal decanter in the box are two crystal tumblers. Again, like the decanter itself, the tumblers have lenses in them. But these have been positioned so that when you hold it, it's perfectly balanced in your hand. Now to close the box, all you do is you just gently push down like so. When displaying it, please make sure you do not have it in direct light. Don't put it near a window, for example, and also keep it away from bright artificial light. Temperature is important. Please don't keep it anywhere that's too cold or too warm, just in case we're dealing with a natural substance here in the oak, so you don't want anything to happen to it. And also keep it somewhere relatively dry. You don't want it to be kept somewhere that's damp and moisture. From everybody at Gordon & MacPhail, I hope you enjoy owning your generation's decanter. Thank you for purchasing it. Take care and goodbye.